Hey everybody, sorry I want to start the episode, but I wanted to say something really quickly. First of all, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to episode 5. Today it marks my 1 month that I've been in Mexico, so you guys are a little bit behind me, but it's been an absolutely incredible experience. And you know, originally this channel was going to be about inspiration. I wanted to inspire people to go out and do the same thing and just show them how great life can be on the road. And if you would just do me a favor, if you like these videos, please like and comment and subscribe and all that crap. But if you know anybody who is considering doing something like this, or maybe they already are, please just share it with them. Send it out. I could really use the help. I'm still trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark where YouTube will start taking my channel seriously. And it's a lot of work shooting and editing on the road, but it's a labor of love, and I'm doing it because I just am loving sharing all this stuff with you guys. And I really can't thank you enough for watching. So enjoy the episode, and I'll see you guys in episode 6. When the guy at the mini mart makes micheladas, you get a michelada.
Making that.
Oh yeah, it's michelada time. What time of day is it?
It's michelada time.
This is what we're dealing with here, folks. This is the skeleton of a great whale. La baleña gris. It's amazing. It's the size of a school bus. I want to touch one so bad. They tile out of these giant seashells. It's so tight.
Now that we've set up camp, it's time to go rip in the salt flats.
Have a sip. Don't be bashful. Don't be shy. Don't be timid.
I was just living in the moment, baby. There he is. Ah! All right, folks, we made it to Guerrero Negro. This is where the biggest salt manufacturing facility in the world is, and there is a lot of salt here, so we're excited to check that out. This is also the best place in the world to touch a whale, so that's definitely on the list. Let's touch some whales!
Another beautiful Baja sunrise from the Palapa.
Alright, we talked our way into some sort of special deal. Doing this on a cheap. We're gonna go see some whales. We're gonna go see some whales. What did we get this for? What did this cost? What did we end up paying?
Yeah, like 30 bucks each.
Like 30 each? Okay. Off we go to see the whales. It should be really sweet. I'm really excited. It's really early in the morning. That smells amazing out here. We're gonna get on this little boat. Let's
see some huge whales. Gonna see the whales. Gonna see the whales. Gonna see, we're gonna see, we're gonna see the whales. Wow. Oh, you're a big guy. It's truly magical. As soon as it's uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What? It's crazy.
Bro. Oh my god.
Heb je hem? Dus we gaan een keer zo'n mooi spel op hem. Hij gaat gewoon weer door.
Hey buddy. Ah, I just felt the spray.
I just felt those.
I made a little rainbow. Oh, here we go.
Michael, what'd you think of the whales?
It's amazing. Just seeing the baby whale,
That was absolutely
the calf, and the mother whale.
That was amazing.
Some
Wow.
breaches in the distance, not super close, but it's still.
One went right under the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, it went right under us.
We could have touched it. We were close. It just we needed
It was
to
awesome.
slow down a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. The coyote. Hey, coyote.
Man, I'm really bummed out right now. My clutch started slipping 2 days ago when we got out of an off-road section after the 2 days of off-roading. And I thought that maybe something was pressing on the cable, so I loosened the cable up a little bit. Snapped right in, wasn't slipping at all, so I was like, cool. Just had too much free play. Sorry, not enough free play. And today when we were going through some deep sand, I noticed that it was slipping again. And so I putted back to camp and I disconnected the clutch, reconnected it, looser, adjusted it, started slipping, loosened it all the way to the point where it was
is totally locked in, no free play at all. Still slipping, so my clutch is definitely going bad, which is a really big bummer, man. I'm having so much fun. I'm having the time of my life, and now I need to order a new clutch pack. Probably get it shipped to Mulegé, which is where we're going after San Ignacio. If I can get one in time, which I don't know how long it's gonna take. Might be something I need to order for La Paz, but I really don't want to putter if you don't know what happens when your clutch starts slipping, you know, your discs are worn out. So, you know, if you rip the throttle, if you accelerate too quickly, the clutch will slip, and you can only maintain an engaged drivetrain at very low RPMs, and I'm already getting pretty close to what looks like the end of it. So, yeah, to be continued. I don't know what to do now. I guess I just need to go get on the internet and start talking to, I don't know, start sending out emails, see what I can do to get a clutch pack in Mexico. All right.